Yeah, thank you so much. It was really great honor for us to take the sustainability award from the PV magazine, because it was recognition of our teamwork and the effort that we put into the company and into the projects over the last year, of course, but also since the last 4 years that we are working on sustainable battery storage systems. And I think this is giving the whole team a huge push to work further on this topic and to grow the company in the future. Yes, so Voltfang is developing, producing, and deploying high-quality energy storage systems and energy storage solutions based on automotive batteries. And these we are doing in the commercial and industrial areas. So starting from systems from 50 kilowatt hours going up to a megawatt hour, but also going into grid-scale standalone applications. And our key benefit is that, of course, we bring in sustainability by reusing high quality automotive batteries, but also our focus is on the energy management system side and optimizing the use of the battery system on site for the customer to increase the revenue and just save the grid and stabilize the grid over the whole country. Yes, so our EMS, our energy management system, always comes integrated with our energy storage solution. So we're always offering the whole solution, starting from the hardware, but also the whole project planning, deployment, and on the end, the energy management system and the control of the whole system. We focus on the commercial and industrial market, so no residential market, and mainly are integrating the energy management system for several use cases like standard self-consumption optimization, but also peak shaving of high demands or integrating charging infrastructure if the grid application is not high enough, or also what we're currently integrated and deployed to the market is the use of time of use tariffs, so dynamic tariffs to actually charge the battery storage system once the energy prices are low and discharge them to balance your load once they're high again. And our goal is to really optimize the revenue for the customer and optimize the use of the battery system for the whole grid. So we're going more and more into multi-use of these different applications, going into trading behind the meter to make it possible for each C&I customer to actually make use of the battery at the best. To sum it up, we're really having contacts directly to the automotive OEMs. So we're working with big European car manufacturers or even battery manufacturers that are having factories all around Europe. So we're currently using a lot of more or less new batteries that are coming from overproduction or from smaller production scrap. And basically all batteries that we're using in our systems are really high quality automotive grade batteries that have been fully tested. And I think this is the key benefit in the end for the customer. Yes, so we're of course closely working together with the OEMs, the automotive manufacturers, to get as much as possible data from them and history from the batteries. And second of all, we have a big battery engineering team in-house, which is really analyzing this data, which is analyzing each module type before we integrate it into our system. So we do a full test before integration, but also full test before we really deploy it to each of the customers. So different cycling of the batteries, different analysis of the data to really get the perfect state of health estimation in the end. And for the certification of the system, we of course go through all standard certifications that you need as an energy storage system. So all our products ran to the whole certification process, have a highest standard battery management system included, which is also coming from a European manufacturer. And our whole design is optimized on stability, safety, and as I said, on the maximal use of the energy management system. Definitely makes life easier for us, because from our end, we're fully digital and transparent company. So we're anyways getting all the data from the batteries once we have them here, but also once they're in the field, we're continuously monitoring their their aging and how they behave in the field. So we have kind of a digital twin of the battery anyhow, once they're at Voltfang. And now, of course, with this obligation also coming to our suppliers, this really helps us to cover the whole chain of a digital twin for the battery. So this definitely makes our life easier. Yeah, actually, this was one of the first initiatives that we implemented at Voltfang, because it's one of our initial goals, why we even founded the company, what is our vision behind it. We really want to enable a future worth living on our planet. So that's why we integrated our first impact reporting also last year in 2024, where we did a full sustainability report. And actually, we made it that last year we already went down as a climate positive company. And actually, we want to double down on these goals and increase our CO2 savings in 2025. To double it compared to our actually emissions that we have during production. And of course, the reuse of these batteries is a big factor, but also the use at the customer's location and at the C&I customer to decrease the CO2 emissions of the customer is our second goal. So that's why we're running the company. That's why we set everything up. And I think that's why we're also really transparent on that end. So for the next 12 months, I mean, who kind of knows Voltfang history, we started with the Voltfang 1 in 2022, got out our Voltfang 2 platform in 2024, which was really revolutionizing the C&I market. And now for 2025, we're building up on this platform and really going into the grid scale market as well. So starting with several megawatt hour projects as a standalone systems. So even going beyond the C&I market to actually enable energy transition as fast as possible. And this is our goal. This is what we set for 2025. So bringing out our next product and bringing and operating the first systems in the field.